Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Di video kali ini aku bakal membuat video parodi dan banyak fitur-fitur yang di Indonesia itu jarang dan di luar negeri pun seperti halnya doorbell dan luar negeri sana digunakan untuk orang-orang yang melihat doorbell itu untuk mengantar paket dan siapa yang bertamu ke rumahnya. Namun di luar negeri beberapa orang melihat sosok dalam doorbell yang tidak wajar. Ini adalah di video yang satu ini dia ada seorang wanita yang sedang berada di depan pintu, tapi dia itu sedang bolak-balik di depan pintu sana dan seperti orang kebingungan, tapi tahu dan kita gak tahu siapa orang itu.
No idea that this creepy old woman with a knife in her hand was at his door in the middle of the night until he woke up the next morning. Some people say that she's possessed. I say she's senile. She was very reluctant to ring the doorbell. If she did, the owner would have woken up. What do you think would have happened?
Di video yang kedua ini yaitu seperti orang yang memakai jaket, tapi dia sedang berada di depan pintu, lalu seperti ada pemilik rumahnya yang pemilik rumahnya berteriak-teriak memanggil orang itu, tapi orang itu tidak mendengarkan, dia langsung pergi.
In this video, looks like an abduction of a woman at gunpoint in Richmond Hill, Ontario. The man steps out of the car carrying what looks like a handgun, threatening to kill the woman before putting her in the car.
Di video yang ketiga ini yaitu ada seorang perempuan yang mengetuk pintu beberapa kali namun tidak ada yang menjawab, tetapi perempuan itu sambil meminta tolong dan berteriak. Ketika perempuan itu sedang mengetuk pintu beberapa kali, ada seorang yang mendengar lalu menyeret ke keluar masuk. Namun perempuan itu balik lagi ke pintu itu dan minta tolong kepada orang-orang, namun tidak ada yang minta tolong. Dan perempuan itu diseret lagi oleh seseorang yang berada di belakang.
As this woman is frantically ringing the doorbell, she's actually trying to get away from her boyfriend, Victor Kuchik. In the background, you can hear him say that he will get the gun from the car.
Stop, please, no, 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 please. Stop.
In this video, it happened to be a day that was not Halloween. The owner of the house says that she thought it was UPS because it was 8 p.m., so she ignored the door. To her surprise, the package was not there. She checked her camera and found a character from the movie Trick or Treat just standing at her door. think would have happened if she would have opened that door? In November of 2019, in a Los Angeles neighborhood, people were shocked to hear a woman screaming, "Somebody help me, please," and a man responding with, "Sorry." The people in the neighborhood were frightened due to the nature of her screams. This lady was a victim of an attempted kidnapping. This video simply just shows a creepy woman going to a house saying random things. Maybe she was on drugs, drunk, but it could be anything. You never know who you run into. Let me know what you think she says in the comment section.
Mom. Dream day.
On January 1st, 2020, Darnell Rogers got into a dispute with his then girlfriend over money. They both left their 4-week-old baby in the car.